It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. From the handcrafted bi-turbo engine to the dynamic performance exhaust, this AMG GTS combines poise with purpose. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, engine auto stop-start feature, power convertible roof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, dual zone climate control, voice activation, voice-activated climate controls, Embrace mobile application, and LED low and high beam headlights. Cars.com declares fast, gorgeous, and more affordable than its predecessor, the new Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS may just be the best driving car the automaker has ever made. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.